How to log out of all devices on Twitter. So consider subscribing to this channel and click that bell icon so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So the first step is, of course, go to your Twitter account or your Twitter app, and then what we would do next is go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the top. Scroll down, go to settings and support, and there will be a drop option there. Go to settings and privacy. In here, go to security and account access. Just click on that. And then what you would do next is go to apps and sessions. So after that, go to the sessions option when you are redirected there. And after that, you would see all of the sessions from your account if you have logged in from an Android or from a web or from all of the devices that you have logged in. So just click on the log out of all other devices if you want to log out from all of them. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.